Hello friends, this is Hemant Kashyap and now we are teaching you how to talk English on a stage. That's important. My dear friends, if you want to become a public speaker, if you want to speak on a stage, so that is most important, your eye contact. Every person, every students, mostly students, maybe 90-95% students want to do and mostly person are already doing English speaking course. My dear students, English speaking course is not only personality development, not only language, it's my personal opinion, but also a skill. If you want to go anywhere, like any place, so that's most important your English speaking. If you want to talk in English, if you want to talk on a stage, if you want to speak on a stage, so that is most important. You should try to do hard work any circumstance. That's I want to give you one demo because speaking is most important, my dear friends, because English speaking success is not in your hand. If you want to do digital marketing, if you want to do any types of course, so that's important English spoken. If you are in Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR, so you can join my institute. And if you are anywhere, any state, so you should join online classes. I will give you fully digital smart classes and live. That's important. And my dear friends, come to the point. I want to speak on stage better. So first, before speak on stage, you should try to practice front on this camera. Camera, it means dear on your camera. After then, you can speak. Hello friends, this is Hemant Kashyap and I want to speak on stage because English is most important in our life. Without English, we can't get success. So my dear students, just practice like vegetable market, like coaching, like your friends, like your conversation, all types of things also include cooking and homework, household work, all types of things you can do. Wish you all the best. You should practice, write, speak, write, speak, write, speak. That's better for you. Wish you all the best. You should try. Thank you. And one thing also, if you don't have mobile, so same work you can do front on the mirror, and after then you will be eligible to speak fluent English on stage. Thank you. Jai Hind.